Welcome to a new perspective on small-scale living, where thoughtful architecture transforms limited square footage into an inspiring lifestyle. In this video, we explore tiny house living in style, a luxury barn house with smart space design. This home proves that size does not define comfort or elegance. By blending rustic barn house character with refined modern details, this tiny house offers a warm, stylish, and highly functional environment designed for contemporary living. The luxury barnhouse concept takes inspiration from traditional agricultural structures and reinterprets them through a modern architectural lens. Clean lines, dramatic roof pitches, and natural materials define the exterior, while upscale finishes elevate the interior experience. In a tiny house context, this style feels both grounded and sophisticated. It creates a visual identity that feels timeless, inviting, and perfectly suited for those who value character as much as comfort. From the outside, this tiny barnhouse immediately stands out with its strong silhouette and balanced proportions. Vertical wood siding, matte metal roofing, and oversized windows give the structure a contemporary edge while maintaining rustic warmth. The compact footprint is carefully designed to feel substantial rather than small. Every exterior detail works together to express durability, elegance, and a connection to nature, even before stepping inside. Inside the home, an open concept layout becomes the foundation of smart space design. By eliminating unnecessary walls, the living, dining, and kitchen areas flow seamlessly into one another. This openness allows natural light to travel freely throughout the interior, making the space feel larger and more breathable. The layout encourages flexibility, comfort, and an effortless daily rhythm within a compact environment. Every inch of this tiny house is designed with intention. Built-in storage, multifunctional furniture, and hidden compartments ensure that nothing feels cluttered or wasted. Stairs double as drawers, benches offer concealed storage, and walls serve multiple purposes. Smart space design is not about sacrificing comfort, but about enhancing usability. This approach allows the home to adapt beautifully to everyday life without feeling constrained. The kitchen proves that luxury is possible even in limited space. High-quality cabinetry, integrated appliances, and durable countertops create a refined yet practical workspace. Vertical storage maximizes capacity while maintaining visual cleanliness. Thoughtful lighting highlights textures and finishes, making the kitchen feel inviting and efficient. This is a space designed not just for cooking, but for enjoying the ritual of daily living. The sleeping loft embraces intimacy and comfort while maintaining a sense of openness. Warm materials, soft lighting, and well-placed windows create a relaxing retreat above the main living area. Built-in shelving and headboard storage reduce the need for bulky furniture. Despite its compact size, the loft feels intentional and calming, offering privacy without disconnecting from the rest of the home. The bathroom continues the theme of smart luxury through efficient planning and elegant finishes. Walk-in showers with glass enclosures prevent visual heaviness, while wall-mounted fixtures save space. Natural textures and neutral tones create a spa-like atmosphere. Every element is carefully selected to provide comfort, durability, and style, proving that even the smallest rooms can feel indulgent and refined. Materials play a crucial role in shaping the home's character. Natural wood, metal accents, and soft textiles create a balanced visual language. Layered lighting, combining ambient, task, and accent sources, adds depth and warmth throughout the interior. Together, these elements establish a welcoming atmosphere that feels both modern and timeless, enhancing the emotional experience of living small without feeling minimal or cold. This luxury Barnhouse tiny home redefines what small space living can truly be. Through smart design, thoughtful material choices, and a clear architectural vision, it delivers comfort, elegance, and functionality in perfect harmony. Tiny house living is no longer about compromise, but about intention and quality. This home stands as a powerful example of how living small can still feel expansive, stylish, and deeply satisfying.